Hi, this is Navneet from Gishnu Gears, Coimbatore. We used to be known as Gears Private Limited all around the world. And now, 10 years ago, we came up with a new brand, Gishnu Gears. We are basically industrial and automotive gearbox manufacturers and the gears as well, special spiral bevel gears and planetary gears. And I'm here with my GM marketing, Mr. Madhu, who is also dealing with our exports. We manufacture industrial and automotive gearboxes, and among them, we do helical reduction, helical bevel reduction, worm reduction, heliworm reduction gearboxes, and straight bevel, spiral bevel, pretty much everything that has a gear in it, we do it. And we are a product manufacturers. So our key products are the power steering gearboxes that we do for automotive, and the 1:1 spiral bevel direction axis gearboxes that we do for several industries. Any synchronized running that needs to be done with a single drive gearboxes with two driven, these gearboxes are used. And this is our spiral bevel gears, and this is our beauty and my personal child, I would say. This is used in prawn culture, aeration solutions for prawn culture. These two shafts on the either sides run the paddle wheels where the bubbles are created and prawns consume them, and the motor is mounted on the top, and it's a completely different field for any gear manufacturer, and it's quite like, I would say, honey in the belly for any gear manufacturer to do this product. And luckily, by God's grace and good well wishers, we have been able to survive in this field for the past 10 years as number one and the best monopoly. And my biggest challenge was converting a farmer from worm reduction into bevel helical reduction. This is a 14:1 ratio bevel helical gearbox, and it took about 2 years time for us to convert everyone. Now, any farmer you ask in Andhra or Odisha, West Bengal, Surat areas, they say Gishnu bevel.
I'm Madhu Devarajan. I'm working exclusive for export and commercial, to corporate market. And initially we started with the worm reduction gearboxes, and day passes, we Gishnu Gears keep developing and they're growing in the market. And now we have more than like 10 to 12 series and wide ranges of gearboxes. We are proud to say that we are manufacturing exclusive gearboxes and supplying to Rani. And through Rani, we are reaching out to Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, and to various automotive industries. And we are supplying to more than 10 to 12 countries in overseas, especially US, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Iran, Iraq, Netherlands, Germany, etc. And I believe like after this COVID, still we are getting more inquiries because China used to be like a monopoly for most of their products. I think COVID has shifted the trends.
I congratulate Worker Communication and AGMA on the new achievement, Gear Technology India, which all the gear manufacturers have been asking for a very, very long time. It has given a chance and a pathway to unite all the gear manufacturers in and out of India. Thank you so much. Thank you all.